Hello and welcome. Sarah here. I am so excited to tell you about all of the things that are happening in the month of June. All of these things are available on my Webstore right now, and it is incredibly exciting. And I had to get on here and do a video and explain what it is that's happening in the month of June. So many things. First of all, it's Creative Kickstart, which is an opportunity for you as customers to earn free transfers. And they have come out with two amazing designs. One is called Explore and one is called Etched Bugs. And I can't wait for you to see those. So I'm going to insert pictures right here for you to take a look at. They are absolutely adorable. Those two transfers are easily earned for free. If you love them, you can absolutely buy them, but why would you when you can get them for free? So that's, I'm going to reference my notes so I don't make any mistakes. So if you make a qualifying purchase in the month of June of $65 US or $83 Canadian, you're going to get offered the Explore transfer for free. If your order is $80 US or 103 Canadian, and that's always before tax and shipping, you're going to get both the Explore and the Etched Wings transfers offered to you for free, which is amazing. Those are both B-size transfers, so they are 8 by 12 or 9 by 12, somewhere in there, roughly. And the Wings one is actually, well, you saw it there in the picture. It's 4 bugs. So cut that apart and you've got all sorts of options. I'm going to be sharing a ton of different creative inspirations with you this month for those transfers. But I have to tell you that Creative Kickstart is always while supplies last. So don't drag your heels on this one and be disappointed if they disappear. They will only be available in the month of June and then they will be gone. So if they don't sell out before the end of the month, then you have the opportunity to purchase them right through or earn them for free right through the month's end. But if they're gone, and that's it. They won't be available again. So take advantage, get on them. I've already ordered my two. As a designer, I'm entitled to two, only two. So I have ordered mine and they are on their way and I can't wait to design with them for you. I've got so many ideas I can't wait to share. And as always, those will then be in my stock here in the workshop. So you'll be able to use them if you are coming for a class. So exciting. Also, they are releasing a brand new palette pack just for this purpose. So it is a combination of 6 paste singles, and it is called the Explore palette pack, which is super cute. And it is black velvet, eucalyptus, ocean mist, papaya, raspberry sorbet, and shimmer harvest, which is that lovely mustardy yellow color, but it's shimmer. It's so beautiful. Pretty, pretty, pretty. So you definitely want to grab one of those as well. Let me know if you want a cart link with some suggestions and make it easy shopping for you. I can absolutely always do that for you. Also in June, we've been doing these creative kits, which are a surface, a transfer, paste, and a squeegee complete kit. And they're already discounted for you 20% off. So that is also available in the month of June. I'm going to put an image here for you. This one is also adorable. It's on that palette surface, which is just so stinking cute. You can do it both sides, backside or front side. It's adorable either way. And they are discounted 20% off. So in Canada, that's $28.63 for the kit. Amazing. And that would make a really fun class, either with some girlfriends or a girls' night out, either in person or virtually. So something to think about there for sure. Love Knows No End is the name of that kit, and I would love to create it with you. And last but not least, in the month of June, while supplies last, they have discounted the designer starter kit. We never know when these sales are going to happen. And we also never know how long they're going to last. But they have taken the designer kit, which is usually $99 in the US or $127 in Canada. It has a product value of over $250 Canadian in it. It is an amazing value for a kit, but they have slashed that price by 40%, which is unheard. I've never seen them do that, and I've been here for 2 years. So that price is now $59 US and $76 Canadian. And you could start a business like I have done, or just craft at a discount. The choice is yours. Either way, if you were considering it, I don't think you can pass up this deal. I also don't think that you should wait on it because they are saying while supplies last. So they only have a limited number of kits available at this price. And then I believe the kit is changing. I'm not entirely sure. Like I said, we get kept in the dark a lot. But either way, jump on this now. If you have questions, reach out to me. I would be happy to answer them for you. But if you've been considering it, now's the time. This is your sign. Now is the time. Awesome possum. There is going to be so many great things coming at you in the month of June. I have also heard a little birdie has told me that if you are a club member, there is a special coming for you, just for you, but not until the 15th. Speaking of club, I'll put this month's club right here for you as a picture. I also have a video on how to create with it, and it's super adorable, so summery. I'm excited to create with it myself. And if you're a club member, yours is coming in the mail, along with a special bundle from me this month, all summery things. So keep an eye out for that as well. And if you're not a club member, then maybe consider joining the club. We do some amazing things just for our club members, and you get that exclusive transfer and paste pack every single month. All right, that's it for me. That's your update for June. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, as always, let me know if you have any questions or comment. Subscribe, hit the bell, do all the things on our video and all of our social media channels. That helps us so very much. And hopefully it's going to be an amazing, crafty June. Take care, everybody. Bye.